Hi, I'm Sarah Elengorn, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the neighborhood of Fluvial Vallarta. Fluvial is a contemporary suburb located between the airport and downtown Puerto Vallarta. It's a quiet residential area outside of the city center. Construction here is more recent than that of Old Town Vallarta. With smooth, wide streets, underground wiring, and landscape boulevards. This neighborhood is super popular with families and professionals. And it's bike-friendly. There are lots of restaurants, shopping centers, and outdoor spaces, including several areas for children to play or to get some outdoors activity. Street lights and a community police station add to the sense of security. Fluvial enjoys close proximity to several excellent and affordable bilingual schools, as well as some upscale grocery stores and Costco. This really is one of the most highly valued neighborhoods in Puerto Vallarta. And what's great is it's not as densely populated as downtown, but it's still centrally located. It's an excellent location for those looking for a modern, tropical lifestyle. Centrika is a condominium development located on the northern end of Fluvial Vallarta, close to all the main avenues. This development has a fresh, modern concept and an innovative design, with the highest quality construction materials. There are 36 units in the building with 4 different floor plans to choose from, including 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bedrooms plus den. All units have large terraces with ocean, mountain, or city views. The building also has lots of privacy, with controlled access 24 hours a day and beautifully landscaped grounds accessible only to its residents. There are 8 floors and an elevator. There is a heated pool and jacuzzi, a garden area, a barbecue, 1 parking space per unit, and deeded storage units are available. There's also an administrative office on site. Centrika is located at the midpoint between the airport and downtown Puerto Vallarta. Just 5 minutes from beaches, shopping centers, pharmacies, hospitals, schools, restaurants, parks, and other areas of interest. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or purchase for an investment, Centrika is a great option, with prices starting at $109,000 and construction due to be completed in December 2021. Contact Elengorn Realtors for more information about properties in Fluvial Vallarta.